dear students, my name is Dr. Heat AppaRao, working as an associate professor in mechanical department, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. So, in the previous class, we discussed the rate of uh, heat conduction equation, or the general heat conduction equation in Cartesian coordinate system. So, in this class, we will see the rate of heat conduction equation in cylindrical coordinate system. So previous one is the Cartesian coordinate system. So this one is the cylindrical coordinate system. So for this one also, so similarly Cartesian coordinate system will take the some elemental area. So that is the cylindrical elemental area. So as shown in the figure, so you can take the x and y and z directions. So take the elemental area, elemental uh, cylindrical element of the cylindrical piece. So that makes angle with the x-axis, that is the angle phi. So this so d pi is the angle of this element. So this is the r distance from this element, from this point. Okay. So this is the dr, thickness of the element is equal to dr. Okay. So similarly, just like here heat transfer takes place in with respect to r, with respect to r. So this makes angle with x-axis and y-axis. So we can write like this one. So this r makes in x-axis. So with the angle phi. So this r. So this one is the r cos phi. So this one is the this component, the y component is equal to r sin phi. You know that. Okay. So then x is equal to r cos phi, and y is equal to r sin phi. Okay. Then x by y is equal to just like uh, tan phi. So sin pi by cos phi. Then pi is equal to tan inverse of y by x. You can write like this one. So this is the uh, at thickness dr. So the this length is equal to r plus dr into d pi. So you know that. So if is the this length is equal to, it is the d pi. So this is the d pi. So this one is the just like dr thickness. This is the just like so okay, the first one, this is the r. So then this length is equal to r d pi. Okay. So for this one, so this is the dr. Then this length is equal to r. So small r plus dr. So it means so. So this one is equal to small r plus dr into d. So this is the values. So but in z direction there is no changes. So there is no inclinations. So you can take z values directly. Okay. So but x and y values, so you can take with respect to r radial or radius. Okay. So okay, you know that chain rule. So uh, so might carry out the partial differential equation with respect to t. So differentiation of t with respect to r and pi. Okay. So you know that dou t by dou r is equal to chain rule is equal to dou t by with respect to x, dou x into dou x by dou r, okay, plus dou t by dou y with respect to y, dou y by dou r. Okay. So here just like the same formula is given like this. Okay. So here you know that dou t by dou x and dou x by dou r. So x is equal to, that, r cos phi. Okay. Then dou x by dou r is equal to, with respect to r, it means cos phi. So here you can take cos phi. So it means this is the cos phi. So cos pi into dou t by dou x. Okay. So next here dou t by dou y into dou y by dou r. So you know that y is equal to r sin phi. Okay. So then uh, dou y by dou r. So with respect to r means sin phi. Okay. So here dou y by dou r is equal to sin phi. Okay. So this is the equation. So dou t by dou r is equal to, so cos pi dou t by dou x plus sin pi dou t by dou y. So that is the equation one. Similarly, so next with respect to pi, apply this chain rule. So dou t by dou pi, is equal to dou t by dou x into dou x by dou pi, dou t by dou y into dou y by dou pi. Okay. So we know that x is equal to here. So x is equal to r cos pi. So with respect to pi means dou x by dou pi is equal to, so r into, so cos pi. So cos pi is equal to minus sin pi. So with respect to pi, so derivative. So you can write here minus sin pi. Okay. Similarly, y parameter is equal to, so y is equal to uh, sin pi, then dou y by dou pi is equal to r sin pi. So r into, so sin derivative is the cos pi. So this is the value. So here we can substitute that value. Then we will get the formula like this one. So this is the equation. So dou t by dou pi is equal to minus r sin pi dou t by dou x plus r cos pi dou t by dou y. So this one is the second equation. Okay. So for solving the dou square t by dou x square, so we require the dou t by dou x. Okay. So how to find out the dou t by dou x in with respect to r and pi. Okay. So then you have to find out the dou t by dou y. Okay. So because you know that rate of heat conduction formula, uh, so in the Cartesian coordinate system. Okay. Uh, So first of all, multiply the equation 1 in cos pi with cos pi, and multiply the equation 2, this 2. So with sin pi by r. Okay. So you know that just like equation 1 is equal to that is the uh, this cos pi dou t by dou x plus sin pi dou t by dou y. So dou t by dou r is equal to, so cos pi dou t by dou x plus sin pi dou t by dou y. Okay. So multiply with the cos pi. Here cos pi, here cos square pi will get, here sin pi cos pi. So this is the cos pi and sin pi. Okay. So just like we will get this equation. So cos pi into dou t by dou r is equal to cos square pi into dou t by dou x plus cos pi sin pi dou t by dou x. So you can take, this is the equation 3. Similarly, just like multiply equation 2 with sin pi by r. So this is the equation 2. If you multiply with sin pi by r, here sin pi by r into dou t by dou x is equal to, so minus sin pi already here into sin pi by r cancel, so sin into sin square dou t by dou x. Similarly, so next r cancel, because if you multiply this one sin pi by r, so the r cancel, so sin pi into cos pi, here we can take sin pi into cos pi. So this is the equation 4. So equation third and equation 4. So we can subtract equation third, uh, equation 4th from the equation third. So we can subtract here like this. Okay. So we'll see that next PPT. So this is if you subtract the equation 3 minus equation 4, if you subtract the equation 4 from the equation 3, okay. So then we'll get the so this one cos pi dou t by dou r minus sin pi into sin pi by r into dou t by dou pi. So you observe here otherwise. So subtract. So this equation 3 minus so equation 4. So it means so cos pi dou t by dou r minus sin pi by r into dou t by dou pi. Here cos square pi dou t by dou x, here minus of minus, that is the plus, so that is the, it means so sin square pi into dou t by dou x. Here, so this is the plus same term, this is the minus same term, so this will be cancelled. Here dou t by dou x is the common term, then sin square pi plus cos square pi, or cos square pi plus sin square pi. So you know that cos square pi plus sin square pi is equal to 1. So we'll see that next equation we'll get this one. So that means in left side cos pi dou t by dou r is equal to dou r minus sin pi by r into dou t by dou pi is equal to just dou t by dou x is the common term. So we get the sin square pi plus cos square pi. So you know that this value is equal to 1. Okay. So then the finally the equation is dou t by dou x. Okay. So cos square pi into dou t by dou x r minus sin pi by r into dou t by dou pi. So this is the capital Roman key. You can take this one. Okay. So similarly, how to find out the dou t by dou r, okay? Dou t by dou y. Okay. So because according to the first equation, Cartesian coordinate system, you know the formula, dou square t by dou x square plus dou square t by dou y square plus dou square t by dou z square. So this is equal to 0. So here z value will not be changed here, but x and y, so these are changed because here according to this, like in cylindrical system, x is equal to r cos uh, pi, y is equal to r sin pi, r sin pi. So it means how to find out the dou square t by dou x square. So before that, we have to find out the dou t by dou x just with respect to r and pi. Similarly, we have to find out the dou t by dou y with respect to just like r and pi. Okay. Then we have to find out the dou square t by x square, dou square t by dou y square. So for that, just like we are finding, so dou t by dou x here, dou t by dou y here. Okay. So then we got the dou t by dou x and dou t by dou y. Okay. Then you uh, differentiate again it one. It means so dou square t by dou x square. You have to find out this one. Okay. So that is the cos pi into dou by dou r into dou t by dou x. Okay. So minus sin pi by r into dou by dou pi into dou t by dx. Here dou t by dx value, you know that, so that is the cos pi into dou by dou r into, so what is dou t by dx? Same, cos pi into dou by dou r into dou t by dou x, so minus sin pi by r into uh, dou t by dou t by, here dou t by dou r. So what is the dou t by dou x? Dou t by dou x is equal to, otherwise just like you can refer that to first one. So okay, dou t by dou x is equal to cos pi dou t by dou r minus sin pi by r into dou t by dou pi. Just like you can take so dou t by dou x is equal to cos pi dou t by dou r minus sin pi by r into dou t by dou pi minus sin pi by r into dou by dou pi into again cos pi dou t by dou r minus sin pi by r into dou t by dou pi. Okay, so you have to derivative here. You have to derive with respect to r. Here you have to derivative with respect to pi. If you derivative with respect to r, so cos pi into, so you will get the value. So dou by dou r. So here cos pi you get, and dou t by dou r, dou by dou r. It means dou square t by dou r square here minus. Okay. So with respect to r, so 1 by r. So with respect to r means 1 by r. So 1 by r is equal to, so minus 1 by r square. So then it will be plus sin pi by r square into dou t by dou pi. We get same value. Okay. So then you can multiply with cos into cos square pi into dou t by dou r square. Similarly, so cos pi into sin pi. So cos pi sin pi by r square into dou t by dou pi. Okay. So next you have to derive this one. Derivative with respect to d pi. So pi with respect to pi. So cos pi. So cos pi is equal to, so what will get to minus sin pi. So we get minus sin pi by r into with respect to pi. So pi cos pi means minus sin pi into dou t by dou r. Okay, minus. So with respect to pi, sin pi. So here two terms are there. So one is the u and v. So two terms. Just like you can apply the uv formula. So uv means u dash v plus v dash u. So first of all u dash v. U dash v means, so sin pi. Sin pi is equal to cos pi. Cos pi by r square into dou t by dou pi. Okay. Uh, so next second term. Second term is so v dash u v dash u is equal to plus sin pi by r into v dash is equal to just like dou square t by dou pi square. Dou square t by dou pi square. If you solve this one, so then you will get this one. So minus minus plus will become plus. Then we will get sin square pi by r into dou t by dou r plus sin square pi by r square into dou t by dou square t by dou pi square plus cos by sin pi by r square into dou t by dou. We will get this value. Okay, so this is the just like value of dou square t by dou x square. So similarly, if you solve the just like dou square t by dou y square, you will get to another formula, similar formula. You can solve directly. So in this way. So we'll get here also. So similarly, we'll get this formula. So dou square t by dou y square is equal to sin square pi dou square t by dou r square minus cos pi sin pi by r square into dou square t by dou pi dou t by dou pi. Cos square pi by r into dou t by dou r plus cos square pi into dou square t by dou pi square into r square. So minus this one. So dou square t by dou x square is equal to this one. Dou square t by dou y square is equal to this one. Okay. If you add this both, it means dou square t by dou x square plus dou square t by dou y square. If you add this one, okay. If you add this one, so equation just like this equation and this equation, then we'll get cos square pi dou square t by dou r square dou r square plus sin square pi dou square t by dou r square. Here dou square t by dou r square is the common term, so then cos square plus sin square, that means equal to 1. So we'll get to this value, that means dou square t by dou r square. Here plus cos pi sin pi by r square into dou t by dou pi. Here minus cos pi sin pi by r square into dou t by dou pi. So these will be cancelled. Okay. So similarly, so plus sin square pi r by dou t by dou r. Here cos square pi by r into dou t by dou r. So here dou t by dou r, if you take common dou t by dou r and 1 by r also, 1 by r dou t by dou r. If we take common this one, then we will get to sin square pi plus cos square pi. So that value is equal to 1. So here, so we will get this one. So similarly, so sin square pi by r square dou square t by dou pi square cos square pi by r square into dou square t by dou pi square. Here also you can take common 1 by r square into dou square t by dou pi square. Then you will get to sin square pi, here cos square pi. Sin square pi plus cos square pi is equal to 1. Okay. So then we will get this equation. Okay. Finally, dou square t by dou x square plus dou square t by dou y square is equal to, so this is the value. Okay. You know that value, that is the according to the first equation, general equation in Cartesian coordinate system. So substitute these values. So dou square t by dou x square plus dou square t by dou y square in Cartesian coordinate general equation Cartesian coordinate system. Then we will get the final equation for that one. So this is the just like general equation in Cartesian coordinate system. So substitute the values of dou square t by dou x square plus dou square t by dou y square. So that value is equal to dou square t by dou r square plus 1 by r into dou t by dou r plus 1 by r square into dou square t by dou pi square. Dou square t by dou z is the common term, so there is no changes. Plus q by k is equal to 1 by alpha into dou t by dou small t. Okay. So this is the equation. Okay. So in this way we can this is the final equation actually for the just like Cartesian coordinates, general heat conduction equation in cylindrical coordinates. So you have to remember this one. So thank you for watching this class. We'll see you in next class.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.